How to edit a post on Threads. Hello, welcome once again. In today's video, you would learn how you can edit a post on Threads. Threads allows you to edit posts within a limited time frame. So if you're within this time frame, you can always do this. And how do you do that? The first step is to log in into your Threads account, just like I've done here. And once you are logged in, move to the bottom right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. Automatically, you'll be brought to your profile page where your profile picture, your bio, and etc. would be displayed. Once all of this is found, scroll down to the part where you see your post. Then select the post that you would like to edit. Move to the right side of the post where you can see the three dot menu. Click that, and then a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see edit together with the time span next to it. Then save, print to profile, archive, etc. Click the edit button, and then you'll be taken to the text page. Then make your necessary changes. Okay, and after making your necessary changes, move to the bottom right side again and click post. All right, and then that way your video has been edited. Very simple. The same thing occurs to all of the posts that you might be making on Threads. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead to try this out. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.